If you look around, it is snowy. Alright, this is gonna be fun. No, we're gonna decline you. For some reason, they did not put any extra pay for today. We're gonna accept this one. It's a $22 going over 17 miles. Let's go today. And we're picking up. So I just got another order. So I did decline an order going 3.5 miles for $4. Picked up the order at Dunkin', picked up the order at the pizzeria. Yeah, I'm gonna go a different way. So let's go. It does say it's like 4 miles away, so it's not too bad.
The strength to begin with a light heart, her soul.
Okay, so that is dropped off. Confirm this. Oh, that's right, it was 2 orders. We have to confirm the other one too. And we got another order. Another double pickup. And we're going back to Dunkin'. Dunkin' is popular today. So I just picked up the order from inside Taco Bell. Alright, I know where that is. It's not far. Right around the corner. And let's go wait for another order. So I just got a ShopRite order, a stacked order with ShopRite and Taco Bell while I was in trying to get my coffee with Wawa. Let's go pick that up. Oh, now my coffee's gonna get cold. I just got back from doing shopping. I got 6 items. It is 12:19 right now. And now we're heading over to Taco Bell to pick up the next order. Okay, that was weird. I did all that shopping ahead of time. You would think that order would be ready. I still waited 5 minutes. Crazy. So we just dropped that order off from Taco Bell. We're heading to the next one. And we got 15:09. So I just picked up an order at Burger King. Oh no. Oh, this is not a very good order. But it doesn't look like it takes me out of district. So I think I'm just going to take it. It's $7.50 going 7 miles. Oh, I have this pillow in back and it's just not great. So I just picked up that order from inside here and we are going, let's see, how many miles are we going? 4 miles. It's not bad it's not bad. The miles aren't bad from the restaurant to the customer. It's just I was a good 3 miles away. So let's take this order. So we got $7.50. I'll see you when I get another order. Okay, I just picked up an order from a pizzeria. I think I had to wait about 15 minutes for it. Let's take off. Got $11 to go 10 miles. I'm hoping we get another order down here. Okay, so I'm here at 7-Eleven picking up an order for $4.50 going 2.5 miles. I mean, past 1 o'clock, if you start getting orders that aren't very good, you know? For this is $4.50. 5-hour shift is done. I logged out at 3:15. We drove 66 miles today. The deduction was 44.22. I made from DoorDash 86.09. We didn't take any Grubhub orders today. And $6.60 we spent on gas, which means that our gross today was 79.49. Which means today we made $15.90 an hour. Yay. But you know what? It was a lot better than yesterday. I need to make up for yesterday.